Daily routine verbs, vocabulary. As we study in class, there are some verbs and some vocabulary that help us express our daily routine or habits. The intention of this video is for you to check the pronunciation of these expressions and how they are inserted in complete sentences and ideas. Here, for example, you have the daily activities in the morning. Listen to the pronunciation. On weekdays, I usually wake up at 8 a.m. I stay in bed about 10 minutes before I get up. I wash my face and take a shower. Then I dry and comb my hair. I have breakfast at around 8:30. After breakfast, I brush my teeth. I put on makeup. I get dressed. I leave home at around 10 to 9. Daily activities outside. I take a bus to work. I arrive work at around 9:30. I have a cup of coffee while I read the newspaper. Then I check my emails and file my papers. I usually make some telephone calls. Then I report to my boss. At around 1 p.m., I have lunch. I usually work on the computer. I have afternoon tea at around 4 p.m. and eat some snacks. Daily activities after work. I leave work at 5:30. I take a train and go to the gym before I go home. I work out for almost an hour. I arrive home at around 7:30. Then let's go with activities that we do in the evening. Listen. I get undressed. I take a bath. I get into my pajamas and take out the garbage. If I don't feel so tired, I cook dinner. I have dinner at around 9. I relax on my couch and watch TV. I wash the dishes and feed my dog. I lock the door and brush my teeth. At around 11:30, I set the alarm and read a book for about 30 minutes. Finally, at around 12 p.m., I turn off the lights and go to bed. Finally, let's have a look at the daily activities we do at the weekends. I will start with the first one. On Saturdays, I usually go grocery shopping early in the morning. I do the washing and hang the clothes out to dry. I water the garden and wash my car. Then I do the ironing. At night, I go out with my friends and have some fun. On Sundays, I go to church in the morning. Then in the afternoon, I go to the mall by car and do some shopping. Then I usually hire a movie and watch a movie. Before I go to bed, I make sure that I recharge my cell phone and meditate to reduce the stress I get. Well, if you can see, these are some of the activities that we normally do as part of our routine. Continue practicing with the pronunciation.